Hello children, hello everybody. We have already learnt about tenses, tense of verb. Today we will learn about one more kind of verb, one more kind of tense, that is simple present tense. Name of the tense is simple present tense, and we will learn when we use it, how we use it, and what is the verb. Simple present tense of verb. Our lesson is for grade 3, verb lesson 18. Whenever we say of action, say of work, whenever we say of a verb, the first question comes to our mind is who? Who does it? Who does the action? Who does the work? Who? When work happens? When work happens? And what kind of work? What kind of work? These are the questions come to our mind when we say about work. When we say about work. What is the kind of work? When it happens? Who it does the work? So these are the questions. Here I have some sentences for you, and we will discuss about what kind of work it is and what tense should we use. Here are some sentences. You go to school every day. He goes to office every day. When? It is every day. That means today we get, tomorrow we will go every day. Yesterday also. That means we do it repeat. What kind of work? It is a repeated work. It is a repeated work. Some more work is there. We wash our hands. We comb our hair. When? Anytime. Regularly we do it. So this is the regular work. These two work are repeated. These two are regular work. These we do regularly. It's a regular work. If a calf grows to a cow, seeds grow to a seedling. Can you say when? Anytime, every time. But who? Who does? Here you go to school every day. He goes to, doer is there. We go to wash our hands. We comb our hair. A calf grows to a cow. But can the calf itself grow? Can the seeds itself grow? Can they grow when they get water and when they get food, when they get soil? No, they can take their food. Seeds can get water and heat. Calf can get food, drink, but they grow naturally. This is the work of nature. Work of nature. They do not do that. They eat, they drink, but grow naturally, automatically. A frog eats insects. Can a frog eat fruits and a rabbit eat insects? A frog eats insects, a rabbit eat fruits. Can they change it? No. A frog cannot eat fruits, rabbit, because it is their natural habit. It is their natural habit. 50 counts more than 5. The sun gives light. What kind of work this is? Take anywhere you go, anytime you count, it will be the same. 50 counts more than 05. 50 counts more than 05. Wherever you go, the sun gives light. It is the work of universe. This is true. This work is true in universe. True in universe. So we are getting so many kinds of work, repeated work, regular work, work of nature. To say all these kinds of work, what we do? To say all these kinds of work, what we do? We use simple present tense of verb. Simple present tense of verb. When? In sentences. In our sentence, we use simple present tense of verb. What is the meaning of simple present tense of verb? What word it contains? Which verb word it contains? Now let's see what are the verb words. Identify the verb words. You go to school. He goes to office. We wash. We comb. Calf grows. Seeds grow. Frog eats. Rabbits eat. 50 counts. These are the verb words. So every word you see is a doing word. So tense of verb, this tense contains what it contains? Doing words. Is there any being word? Search for the being word? No. That means only doing word is there and no being words. No being words. Why? We will come up. Only doing words. What are the doing words? You see here it is go, but yet go becomes goes. Now grow becomes grows. It becomes eats. That means these doing words, they change with noun. Change with doer noun. How they change? Just now we discussed go becomes goes. Grow becomes grows. Eat becomes eats. When it happens like this, one more extra es, one more extra s, one more extra s. When does it happen? When doer noun is when, if doer noun is third person singular. We have discussed it in previous lessons. Third person singular noun. And for all others it becomes, it is no s or es. Was, comb, because it is we, first person plural. Now why no being words? Why? Because time is equal to any time. I go to school, time is not given in my sentence. We wash our hands any time, every time, all the time. Calf grows to a cow. All the time frog eats insects. Any time, every time. So we learned that, what we learned now? We learned that we have so many kinds of words, repeated, regular, and work of nature. For all these, we use simple present tense of verb, and simple present tense of verbs contains only doing words that change with do or noun. Thank you.
Pause the video, look at these questions and write the answers in your notebook. Now check your answers. Feel free to go back and review the content if needed. Click here to look at the next video, and click here to look at the previous video. Click here to look at the whole playlist. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.